Hello kids, how are you all? As you can, today we are going to tell something new and really interesting. I am going to tell you some small and easy science experiments that you can do with the material you can get easily at your home. So kids, let's get started.
Experiment number 1. For this experiment, we will be needing turmeric powder, detergent powder, cotton bud, water and a paper. Now let's get started. Now color the paper with the turmeric powder. Wait for it to get dry. Now take the cotton bud and dip it in the detergent powder. Now write something or draw on the paper. Did you see? When the detergent powder is coming in contact with the turmeric powder, the color of turmeric is changing to red color. Our experiment number 2 is lifting an ice cube with a thread. For this experiment, we need water, ice cube, thread and salt. Now put the ice cube in water. Then put the thread on the ice cube. Now put the salt on the ice cube. Now wait for 2 seconds. Now lift the thread and you can see we have lifted the ice cube with the thread. Ooh, now let's move to the next experiment. So now our third experiment is atmospheric pressure. For this experiment we need a glass of water and a lid to cover it. Now cover the water with the lid. Now turn the glass. Wait for 2 seconds. Now remove your hands from the lid. Wow, you can see now the water isn't falling. This happens because of atmospheric pressure.